Hi students, complex numbers exercise 2.5. First we are going to see modulus of a complex number. Definition: if z equal to x plus iy, then the modulus of z denoted by mod z is defined by mod z equal to root of x squared plus y square. Okay. Then example, mod I equal to, I means real part equal to 0, but root of 0 square plus 1 square, coefficient 1, 1 square equal to 1. Modulus of minus 12i equal to root of 0 square minus 12 square equal to, that is 12. Modulus of 12 minus 5i equal to 12 square minus 5i whole square equal to root 169 equal to 13. Okay. And another one note, z equal to x plus iy, z bar equal to x minus iy. Z minus x bar, z bar equal to, z minus z bar equal to x plus iy into x minus iy. That is already you know the formula, x plus iy into x minus iy equal to x square plus y square, x square plus y square. See that one? Root of x square plus y square equal to mod z. Appa x square plus y square equal to mod z square, that is the value. Okay. Appa modulus of z squared equal to z bar. Modulus of z squared equal to z bar, one formula. Okay. Next, properties of a modulus of a complex number. Properties: mod z equal to mod z bar. Very important property, mod z equal to mod z bar. Next one is modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. This one is a triangle equality. Inequality. Triangle inequality. Modulus of the product is equal to product of the moduli. Similarly, quotient, modulus of the quotient is equal to quotient of the moduli. These two are equal. But addition, modulus of the addition less than or equal to addition of the moduli. Okay. Now, modulus of the subtraction greater than or equal to difference of the moduli. Okay. Now, next one, modulus of Zn equal to modulus of power n. Real part of z less than or equal to mod z, important property. Real part of z means I will take x, less than or equal to mod z means root of x squared plus y square. Root of x square plus y square. Up x less than or equal to root of x square plus y square. Similarly, imaginary part of z less than or equal to mod z, that is y less than or equal to root of x square plus y square. And the next one is a triangle inequality. For any two complex numbers z1 and z2, modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Proof: I will take LHS squaring mod z1 plus z2 whole squared equal to, the formula is mod z squared equal to z bar, one formula you know. Okay. This one is z bar, that is z1 plus z2, z1 plus z2 whole bar. I will take this fully z, that means mod z squared equal to z bar. Okay. Next, modulus of z1 plus z2 bar equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. Separately we can write. Okay. Z1 plus z2 equal into z1 bar plus z2 bar. Okay. Just multiply z1 bar, z1 z2 bar, z2 z1 bar, z2 z2 bar. Okay. First term write as it is, second term write as it is, fourth term write as it is. See the third term, some adjustment, make some adjustment. I will write this z1 z2 bar whole bar, second term bar. Simplify, this one is simplify, z1 bar, z1 z2 bar of bar equal to z1 bar, z2 bar of bar, z2 bar of bar, z2 bar of bar equal to z2, z1 bar z2. See that one, z2 z1 bar Z2 Z1 bar equal to Z1 Z2 bar whole bar. We can write. Understand or not? Okay. Next, Z1 Z1 bar equal to, that is Z bar equal to mod Z square. Similarly, Z1 Z1 bar equal to mod Z1 square. Here Z2 Z2 bar equal to mod Z2 square. In this one, I will take this one is fully Z plus Z bar. Z plus Z bar by 2 equal to real part of Z. Already you know the property. Z plus Z bar equal to 2 real part of Z. Similarly, 2 real part of this value. Okay. Now we see one property, real part of Z less than or equal to mod Z. Real part of Z less than or equal to mod Z. But real part of that value equal to modulus of Z1 Z2 bar. Modulus value less than or equal to, is very important, less than or equal to mod Z. Real part of Z less than or equal to mod Z. But less than or equal to, this value equal to mod Z. Okay. But less than or equal to Z1 squared plus 2. Now modulus of this value equal to, separately we can write Z1 Z2 bar, that is modulus of Z2 bar equal to mod Z2. Similarly, mod Z1 mod Z2 plus mod Z2 square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. The formula is A plus B whole square. A equal to mod Z1, B equal to mod Z2 whole square. Okay, square root on both sides. Square here, don't want square, then square root on both sides. Z1 plus Z2 less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. This one is a triangle inequality. Okay, state and prove triangle inequality. Okay, listen. The distance between 2 points Z1 and Z2 in complex plane is modulus of Z1 minus Z2. The distance between 2 points Z1 and Z2 means that is a modulus of difference. Modulus of the difference. And the next remark, one remark is there. It's a very important formula. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2. Already see the one formula. Modulus of Z1 minus Z2 greater than or equal to mod Z1 minus mod Z2. Here mod Z1 minus Z2 less than or equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. Okay, then connecting this, modulus of Z1 plus Z2, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2, greater than or equal to modulus of mod Z1 minus mod Z2. Similarly, modulus of Z1 minus Z2 less than or equal to mod Z1 plus mod Z2, greater than or equal to modulus of mod Z1 minus mod Z2. Okay. Now see the exercise 2.5. Find the modulus of a following complex numbers. First sum 2i by 3 plus 4i. See that one. Z equal to 2i by 3 plus 4i. Find the modulus value. Modulus value equal to, taking modulus, now quotient, then mod 2i divided by modulus of 3 plus 4i. Okay, value 2 squared 4. Here x square plus y square, that is 9 plus 16. Root 4 divided by 25, cancel. That is a root 4 value 2, root 25 value 5. Get the answer. Second sum 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I plus 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I. Taking modulus of 2 minus I divided by 1 plus I plus modulus of 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I. Okay. Now here also separately write modulus of 2 minus I divided by modulus of 1 plus I plus modulus of 1 minus 2i divided by 1 minus I. Here 2 squared 4 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1 root 2. Here 1 plus 4 divided by 1 plus 1. That is root 5 by root 2. Here also root 5 by root 2. That is root denominator same, then add the numerator 2 root 5, 2 root 5 divided by root, taking LCM. Okay, now cancel 1 root 2, here 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, that's a 1 root to cancel. Okay, root 2 into root 5, root 10, root 10. Next sum, third one, 1 minus I whole power 10. 1 minus I, z equal to 1 minus I whole power 10. Mod z equal to modulus of 1 minus I whole power 10. This can be written as 1 minus I whole modulus of whole power 10. Okay, this value modulus root of 1 plus 1. But root 2 power 10. Root 2 power 10. Root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2. Okay, now cancel 2 power 5. 2 power 5 value equal to 32. Okay, next fourth sum, 2 into 3 minus 4i into 4 minus 3i. Okay, அப்போ z equal to mod z equal to modulus of 2i 3 minus 4i 4 minus 3i. Now taking separate modulus 2i modulus of 3 minus 4i modulus of 4 minus 3i. Its value 4, its value 9 plus 16, this value 16 plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 25 plus 25. What's the value? 2 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 50. Okay, second sum, for any two complex numbers z1 and z2 such that mod z1 equal to mod z2 equal to 1 and z1 z2 not equal to minus 1, then show that z1 plus z2 by 1 plus z1 z2 is a real number. Is a real number means we want to show that this value equal to modulus of this value. Real number means z equal to z bar. Z equal to z bar already we have seen in 2.4. Exercise 2.4. Given mod z1 equal to mod z2 equal to 1 and z1 z2 not equal to minus 1 given. To prove this value is a real number. Okay, first I will take mod z1 equal to 1, mod z2 equal to 1. Now squaring on both sides, mod z1 squared equal to 1, mod z2 squared equal to 1. Mod z squared equal to, already you know the formula, z bar. By z1 bar equal to 1. Here also z2 bar equal to 1. z1 equal to 1 by z1 bar, z2 equal to 1 by z2 bar. Okay, now take the value z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2 equal to z1 equal to 1 by z1 bar plus 1 by z2 bar. Okay, 1 by z2 bar divided by 1 plus 1 by z1 bar into 1 by z2 bar. Okay, now taking LCM z2 bar plus z1 bar divided by z1 bar z2 bar. Here multiply z1 bar z2 bar plus 1 divided by z1 bar z2 bar. Cancel. Okay, cancel. We get z2 bar plus z1 bar divided by z1 bar z2 bar plus 1. Okay, get the value. Here z1 bar z2 bar plus 1 can be written as 1 plus z1 bar z2 bar. Okay, now take its value equal to whole bar. z1 plus z2 bar equal to z1 plus z2 whole bar. Here also 1 plus z1 bar z2 bar equal to whole bar. Okay, now this one is take totally whole bar. z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z equal to z1 plus z2 divided by 1 plus z1 z2 whole bar. Okay, we get, suppose I will take z equal to z bar. Z equal to z bar means this one is a real number. This one is a real number. You see the third sum. Which one of the points 10 minus 8i, 11 plus 6i is closest to 1 plus i? Is closest to 1 plus i. Okay, now I will take 1 plus I equal to z1, z2 equal to 10 minus 8i, z3 equal to 11 plus 6i. Okay, now we want to find the closest point. That means we want to find the distance. Distance means already you know the formula, modulus of z1 minus z2. find distance between these two. Okay, இப்போ modulus value modulus of z1 sorry 1 plus I z2 10 minus 8i multiplied minus 10 plus 8i. Simplify minus 9 here plus 9i equal to so 81 here also 81, that is root of 162. Okay, 162. Next we want to find the distance between z1 and z3. Okay, next we want to find distance between z1 and z3. See that one, modulus of z1 minus z3 equal to modulus of z1 value 1 plus I, z3 value 11 plus 6i, here minus 11 minus 6i, that is value minus 10 minus 5i equal to root of 100 plus 25 is equal to root 125, and z1 minus z equal to root 162. Here modulus of z1 minus z3 equal to root 125. The smallest value is root 125, that is 11 minus 6i is the closest to 1 plus I. Okay, see the fourth sum. If mod z equal to 3, show that 7 less than or equal to modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i less than or equal to 13, less than or equal to 13. Already you know the formula. See that one, modulus of z1 plus z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2 greater than or equal to modulus of z1 minus mod z2. Using this formula, okay, given mod z1 equal to z3, show that 7 less than or equal to modulus of z minus 6 minus 8i, sorry, modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i less than or equal to 13. Okay, now using the formula, the values of modulus of z1 z2 less than or equal to mod z1 plus z2, that is the value per separate less than or equal to modulus of z plus modulus of 6 minus 8i. Modulus of z equal to 3 given. Okay, modulus of z equal to 3 given. 3 plus, what is the value? 36 plus 64. What is the value? Root 100 equal to 10. Less than or equal to 13. We get less than or equal to 13. Next we want to find greater than or equal to 7. Greater than or equal to 7. Appa greater than or equal to modulus of mod z minus modulus of 6 minus 8i. Greater than or equal to, this value equal to 3 minus root of 36 plus 64 root of 100, 3 minus 10 minus 7, modulus value minus 7 means always plus. Okay, modulus of z plus 6 minus 8i greater than or equal to 7, greater than or equal to 7, we get the answer. Therefore 7 less than or equal to modulus of z plus 6 z 6 minus 8i less than or equal to 13. And next we get, see the fifth sum. If mod z equal to 1, show that 2 less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. Okay, similarly same method, given mod z equal to 1, 2 less than or equal to modulus of z square minus 3 less than or equal to 4. First I will take modulus of z square minus 3 less than or equal to means plus. Mod z squared less than or equal to minus 3, mod minus 3. This value equal to 1, 1 squared equal to 1, modulus of minus 3, 3. What is the value? 1 plus 3 equal to 4, less than or equal to 4. Next, modulus of z squared minus 3 greater than or equal to means minus. Modulus of mod z square minus of mod minus 3. This value equal to 1, 1 squared 1 minus mod minus 3 equal to 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 equal to 2. Modulus of z squared minus 3 greater than or equal to 2. We get the answer. Okay. But 2 less than or equal to mod z squared minus 3 less than or equal to 4. Okay. See the sixth sum. If modulus of z minus 2 by z equal to 2, show that the greatest and least value of mod z are root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. Greatest value want root 3 plus 1, least value we want root 3 minus 1. Given mod z minus 2 by z equal to 2 given. Okay, given value. Now similarly same formula, modulus of z minus 2 plus less than or equal to mod z plus modulus of 2 by z. Here greater than or equal to mod z minus modulus of minus 2 by z. I will take only this part. Okay, I will take only this part. Now remove the modulus. Remove the modulus means we get plus or minus. Okay, remove the modulus means we get plus or minus. Then I will take minus first. Okay, appo mod z minus mod 2 by mod z less than or equal to modulus of z minus 2 by z. Now multiplied minus mod z plus mod 2 by mod z less than or equal to given value 2. Okay, now taking LCM, mod z squared plus 2 mod z. Okay, now this plus go to that side minus. Minus mod z square minus 2 mod z plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Now here minus, then multiplied by minus mod z square plus 2 mod z minus 2. Now multiplied by minus means less than or equal to change to greater than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to 0. Now we get one quadratic equation in mod z. Quadratic equation in mod z. Now factorize. Now a equal to 1. A equal to 1. B equal to 2. Next C equal to minus 2. You know one formula, minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. B equal to 2. B squared 4 minus 4, a equal to 1, c equal to minus 2 divided by 2 into 1, 2. Minus 2 plus or minus root of 4. Here multiplied by minus 4 into minus 2, 8. What's the value? 12. Root 12 equal to root 12 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Root of 4 into 3, root 4 2. 2 root 3. 2 root 3. What's the value? 2 root 3. Minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 common taken out. Minus 1 plus or minus root 3. 2 cancel. Minus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 minus root 3. We get 2 terms. Okay. Now mod z equal to minus 1 plus root 3. Mod z equal to minus 1 minus root 3. So it's not possible. We want this value only. Root 3 minus 1. Okay. Take this. Root 3 minus 1. Next plus value. First take minus value. Plus or minus means first take minus value. Next take plus value. Okay. Mod z minus 2 by mod z less than or equal to mod z minus 2 by z. This value mod z minus 2 by mod z, this value equal to 2. Now LCM, mod z square minus 2 less than or equal to 2 mod z. Plus 2 mod z go to that side, minus 2 mod z square minus 2 mod z minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Now again factorize. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 2. Now C equal to minus 2. Okay, using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus 2, then plus 2 we get. Plus 2 plus or minus b squared minus 2 squared 4 plus 4 into a 1 c minus 2 divided by 2 into 1 2. 2 plus or minus 4. What's the value? Minus 8 minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 4 plus 8 12 root 12. Root 12 value already we have seen 2 root 3. 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 common taken out. 2. 1 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2 cancel. 1 plus root 3, 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3 is not possible. Take mod z equal to 1 plus root 3. Take mod z equal to 1 plus root 3. Okay. இப்போ greatest value equal to mod z equal to 1 plus root 3. Least value equal to mod is equal to root 3 minus 1. We get the answer. Thank you, students.